friends, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Tarun the Vagabond. So today we are returning back from Orissa to Delhi or Gurgaon, and so on the way we have started from Malkangiri, which is in the southern part of Orissa, and we are going through Sukma, and on the way we will be crossing Dantewada, which is very famous for the Naxalite attacks on the CRPFs and all. So you must be listening to the news channels talking about Dantewada, which is very notorious about this. So stay tuned and let's get some exciting shots on the way. Now we are just crossing the jungles in between Malkangiri to Sukma. So this is the national highway to Sukma. Earlier this road used to be very bad, but now I could see this is well built. I think recently they have built this, so we could drive well. But the road starting from Malkangiri is not that good. So you have a lot of potholes on the road, so you cannot drive more than 20 km/h speed. So we have just entered into Chhattisgarh and we are heading towards Sukma. Okay. I'm really worried about the road from Sukma to Dantewada, and from Dantewada we will be just connecting with the highway that's between Raipur to Nagpur. And today we are trying to cover as much as distance, and we would be halting at Sagar in MP, right? Look at this lush green. Okay, very nice. So it's early in the morning, 6:30, and actually I couldn't take the shots early in the morning when we started at 5:45. We were just getting late, so I thought of giving you these shots while we are starting this journey, and we have like half an hour past when we started. Okay, so there are small villages. They are the Adivasis, which means they are the tribals or the old original tribes of Orissa and Chhattisgarh. Look at these small villages and huts. There's smokes coming out of these huts. Looks wonderful. Look at these small villages. The government also takes a lot of initiatives to get these backward classes into the mainstream. This is the check post to enter into Sukma. So Malkangiri to Sukma is like 25 kilometers. Hardly takes half an hour to 45 minutes to travel. पूरा रोड चाहिए था, लाइट सिग्नल देके मेरे को बोले कि भाई साइड हो जाओ, मेरे को पूरा रोड चाहिए. It is always easy to drive on the daytime, so we started little late because we would be traveling these jungle areas and don't want to take chances with my family also. So while coming from Gurgaon, as I said, I was traveling with my family, my mother, my wife and my kid, but I dropped my mom in Orissa, and then now my wife and my kid and myself. Okay, here comes the most popular Sukma river. So you can see these bending of the rods. Actually, these are the bars are actually bent because the water flow takes lot of trees and lot of other items along with. So when it is over flooded, so this river actually flows over the bridge, and along with it carries the trees and all. So when it hits the bars, it actually with so much of force, it actually bends the bars. So that's amazing. Look at the power of nature. So this time we are thinking of taking a different route which runs parallel to the road which goes from Jagdalpur to Raipur. So we are not going to Raipur because from Raipur again Nagpur we have to take a left. So we will be directly going to the highway. So there is another way before going to Jagdalpur which runs parallelly actually up to Raipur, but it doesn't go to Raipur. So before entering into Raipur, it will get connected with the highway. So we will be going to Nagpur highway using this parallel road. भाई साहब थोड़ा साइड दे दो. You need to be very careful when you are driving in these areas. Actually, you have a lot of cock, hen and chicks moving around, the ducks on the road. You have the cattle, especially the people over here. They don't know how to drive, when to take left, or to use the indicators and to use their lane. They might turn anytime, and you have to be very careful when you are traveling in these areas. Drive slow and always be patient. We have almost reached Sukma. Sukma is well developed because I think it is one of the districts, so district headquarter. So you can see a lot of building, collectorate office, and then the city is well built. I won't say it is a city, but it is a small town. Okay, here we go into the Sukma town. City or the town. So actually if you go to the right straight, then it will take you to Jagdalpur in Chhattisgarh, and if you go back it will take you Andhra Pradesh, which is called Motu. Right, from where you can go to Hyderabad. A lot of buses go from Malkangiri to Hyderabad. So it's almost like 450 kilometer, I believe. Not that far. 7 to 8 hours of journey. This is Sukma bus stand. We are going towards Jagdalpur, and in between there will be a left we are not going to up to Jagdalpur, so this parallel route we are taking, so we don't have to go to Jagdalpur and then to Raipur and then again take left. So we are not coming back again, so it will save almost 100 kilometer when we are traveling from here to Jagdalpur, and also back when we are coming from Raipur to the place where we would be connecting. So this amount of time and the distance would be saved. Anshuman, let me know when we have to take left, okay? How far we have to go from here? So my son Anshuman is my navigator. Okay, Chhattisgarh Sasan Lok Nirman Vibhag. So we have Dantewada is 78 kilometer, then Bacheli 88, Kirandul 98. Okay, so we are taking this route. Okay. The road looks good so far. Let's see when we move far away from this town how the roads are. You can look at this beautiful weather, man. The skies are blue and the shades of cloud, the pink, okay, the dark gray and blue colors. It's awesome. It's mesmerizing. We never see this kind of blue skies in metro cities. So friends, we are on the way to Dantewada. So you can see the beautiful roads. The highways are very well constructed. And we have some killer views in front. As we are moving in, the jungles are getting deepened. So the deep jungles you can see, and you can very well understand why these Naxalites, they actually prefer to stay in this place. It's a very safe hideouts here. That's why actually the government is now focused to get this Adivasis to mainstream, because they are easily been turned into Naxalites by showing some money or alluring them to give some better life. So that's the reason now government is getting back and into action. You can see these people, they are sitting on the roadside and they are now focused into the mobile. And we fools, we are just staying in metro cities and we are roaming into the forest, and we are into the nature. We are looking after that. So none of us are happy. If the roads are like this, then it will be easy for us. I'm from Orissa, but I'm also very excited to just see how Dantewada looks. I have been hearing this in news, but I never got a chance to come to this place. So even my family, I'm taking little risk, but still it's a daytime, it's not that risky. So I'm taking my family along through this jungle into to go via Dantewada. And second reason why I preferred this road, because anyway, if you are going to Jagdalpur, the roads are not that good. And what is the fun if you are going through that same route from which you have come? I'm an explorer and I want to explore more. That curiosity is always in me. And I want to show you guys how Dantewada looks. And it's a rare place where people come to visit. They are scared of this place. I'm not scared because I have been staying in Orissa for long, and I am aware of the language spoken over here, and I know how to deal with these people. So I'm not worried much. The Naxalites mostly, as I said in my previous videos also, they don't target the public. They are against the law and order, the forces, the rich man. See the fox. Oh my god. Hope you guys could see that fox early in the morning coming out of the village. These are thieves. They steal the small chicks, the hen, the ducks. I don't know what these villages' names are, but you could see small villages in between. And rarely you could see someone coming in this route. Hardly one or two vehicles. Bikers, one or two bikers are there. Today we are trying to cover as much distance as possible, but we have committed that post 5 we are not traveling any long. Wherever we stop at 5, we will try to locate a hotel nearby, and then Turrepal. I think Turrepal is the village name. Harvesting time. So since last 2 days there was a cyclone in Andhra Pradesh and in southern India. So the effect has been shown in Chhattisgarh and Odisha. It was raining since last 2 days, and you could see the road still wet. I'm not sure if it was raining in the morning, but the clouds are now. I could see clear sky. of checkposts are here, and especially why these checkposts are here, because one is the security reason and the other is about a lot of smugglers. They actually smuggle a lot of ganjas illegally to Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and also to different parts of India. In my earlier videos I have shown a place called Chitrakonda, which is the hub for ganja cultivation. You must be wondering why I am telling you guys this, but I am not interested. I never take all these things. These are also, Dantewada is 60 km from here, so we are going in the right route. Okay. Okay, so I was telling Chitrakonda is one of the hub where people cultivate ganja, and it is mostly because of the hilly areas, and the force and the police are not active in those areas because it is unsafe for the CRPF and the police force in those places, and they don't stay for long because that is also one of the Naxalite prone area, and they don't go deep into the forest. Nowadays the incidents have reduced, but still the CRPF and police force, they don't take chance and don't go deep into the village without any proper arrangements and proper instructions from higher officials. So don't get surprised when you get a check post and they ask you to open your trunks, car trunks, or they check you properly, your documents and everything. But since it is early morning, so we are not asked to show any document, or there is no police force. Okay, Gidam is 58 km, then Dantewada is 46, Nakulnar 22 km, and Aranpur 52 km, and then Baladela is 68 km, and here Bijapur is 146. Okay. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. You can see the skies. My goodness. Patches of clouds on the blue sky. Really beautiful. Wow. इन जंगलों से कौन डर सकता है यार? Just because of this Naxalites, people are scared of jungles. We have hardly crossed any vehicles in this route, but still I'm okay. Nothing to get scared. While coming from Raipur to Jagdalpur, we crossed Kaskol Ghat, but here I am not sure if we are crossing any of that ghat. But these are small ghats and the roads are well constructed, so nothing to worry about it. Shima Samapt. We are just crossing a small hill. It's not that big. But these sharp turns, you have to be careful. It's a single route, so be careful about the vehicles. The heavy vehicles actually take a lot of space, and this single road makes it difficult for them to take turns. So they take a bigger turn. That's why you have to be a little bit careful. but I'm really enjoying on this route. Lot of zigzag turns. Wow, you feel like you are on a racing track. Beautiful. ये एरिया थोड़ा डरावना तो है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर कमिंग इन द नाइट. देयर इज नोबडी. कोई इंसान की ज़ात नहीं होगा आपको हेल्प करने के लिए. एंड लुक एट दिस जंगल. एक इंसान नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. बिट स्कैरी. ओके. Okay, so this was a ghat. Okay, so you can see Dantewada is like 9 kilometer, Gidam is 21, Jagdalpur 94 from here, Kanker, Dhamtari, Raipur 391. Okay, so you can go multiple places from here. Okay, so friends, finally we have reached Dantewada, and from here actually there is a bypass which goes to Bijapur, and we are not going through the bypass because the route I think is not that well. I just got information from the pressure man who checked our tire pressure. So we are taking the main road from here, and we'll be going to Gidam, right? So from there we will be heading towards Narayanpur. Okay. So this is Dantewada. So everybody knows about Dantewada in Chhattisgarh. So all over India it is popular because of the Naxal attacks on CRPFs and police officers. Gidam is straight. So we are just crossing the Ma Danteswari temple. So friends, we have diverted from a place, so we are not going towards what is that? So now we have diverted, and we are going towards Chitrakoot, and from Chitrakoot we will be taking Bhanpur, then Kondagaon, from Kondagaon to Narayanpur road, and then Bhanupratappur, and then Rajnandgaon. So that's the best route that the locals have said, and they have asked us not to take the other way that we had decided earlier, because it seems the road is under construction, and because of the Naxal influence, the roads are not constructed well, and we might face some issues in the road. That's why they have asked us to take this route. So we are now moving towards Chitrakoot. From there we will take a slight left and towards Bhanu Pratappur. So you can see the jungle. It's a highly dense jungle, and the roads are not that well. There is a slight change in the plan. Let's see how this plan works. Once we are on the highway, so we will be straight heading towards Nagpur. We have no signal in this place. We don't know where we are heading, but I am hoping we are going towards Chitrakoot, because there is no other way. This is the only single road that I can see. You can see the road condition. भैया यहाँ से चित्रकूट कितना दूर है?
यहाँ से 40
40 किलोमीटर
किलोमीटर
का। ओके, थैंक यू। रोड अच्छे हैं, जाएगा ना गाड़ी?
नहीं, काम चल रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा,
मतलब ऐसे ही है?
चल रहा है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, थैंक यू। भाई ये कोंडागांव जा पे को रास्ता
यही रास्ता है।
कितने दूर जा रहा है?
यहाँ से जाके ना,
हाँ,
नारायणपाल जाते हैं ना, ये लेफ्ट कटिए।
लेफ्ट कितना, मतलब कितना दूर जाके लेफ्ट काटना है उसको?
समझ जाओ यहाँ से, वो पास चौक है, चौक में कैंप है पुलिस वाला।
वहाँ लिखा हुआ है क्या पूरा?
हाँ।
लिखा हुआ है ना कोंडागांव? ठीक है, थैंक यू। You can see the road conditions. Okay, now I can see some good road. After like 30 kilometer there is a pull, and there is a bridge actually from where we have to take left. There was a temple in the hilltop, so the priest told us that we have to go around 30 kilometer, and from there near the bridge we have to take left. This is the only single road, so there is no diversions but in between there were 3 diversions where the bridges are been constructed, so it was really tough coming out of that place. It was totally mud road. It's a dense forest and lots of ghats, so we have been riding this ghat since last 20-25 minutes. though it's not very steep.
A few moments later.
So friends, finally we have reached the highway Raipur to Nagpur. So we are just 196 km away from Nagpur, and the time is now 5 p.m. in the evening. So it's almost like 11 hours now we are driving. So we took a break of 15 to 20 minutes for lunch. That's how, and then it's more than 500 kilometer now we have drive, and let's see if we can reach Nagpur by 7:30. So enjoy the view and stay tuned. So friends, we have finally reached Nagpur, and the time is now 8:45 in the evening. Okay, so you guys can see the market. So we are looking for a hotel. And Anshuman, what is the name of this hotel? I don't know. It's not showing.
Hotel Yatri.
Hotel Yatri. Okay. So we haven't booked, we haven't spoken to them, but let's go and check if rooms are available. Okay, so guys, stay tuned, and let's see you tomorrow morning, and we will be starting from Nagpur to Gurgaon. Okay, until then, stay tuned, and if you really like my videos, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. ये रूम मिला 2000 रुपीज एक नाइट के लिए. ये बाथरूम, एंट्री, सोफा, टीवी, और क्या चाहिए. एक डेस्क भी है पढ़ाई के लिए.